One of the questions I was asked, why did I choose to do ophthalmology? What attracted me to ophthalmology is it's a miracle. Imagine somebody who has a cataract and they can see only like a counting finger vision, or a hand movement vision. And after a successful cataract surgery with lens implant, the patient could see straight away, and within a day or two, they could see and will be able to drive back again. That's something really impressive, to see that quick and effect on the patient. Quality of life and quality of vision is something second to none. It's just close to miracle. And that really attracts me to ophthalmology. And for the past 15 years, I have dedicated my self to get all the required skills and training in ophthalmology to try to bring all these experiences and all the thousands of patients I have treated to help you and others with their vision needs, to give them the best possible quality of vision and quality of life.